Question number 4 of exercise 7.3. In question number 4, the vertices of a quadrilateral is given. Okay, and we are to find the area of that quadrilateral. So these are the vertices taken in order, that is A equal to this, B equal to this, C equal to this, D equal to this. So to find the area of a quadrilateral in coordinate geometry, we are to divide that quadrilateral into two triangles. Okay, by joining any of the diagonals, we have to convert this quadrilateral into two triangles. Okay, what I have done for your better understanding here, I have taken ABCD a triangle and I have joined AC diagonal, then ABCD quadrilateral divided into two triangles. Okay, so to find the area of this quadrilateral, we are to find the area of triangle ABC and the area of triangle ACD, and if we add the area of both the triangles, then we will be able to get the area of that quadrilateral. Okay, so area ABCD equal to, area ABCD means area of that quadrilateral equal to area ABC means area ABC triangle. Okay, and area ACD, this is area ACD. Okay, and this is the formula to find the area of a triangle when three vertices of a triangle are given. This is the formula for ABC plus this is also the formula for ACD. Okay, so I am repeating the same thing again. To find the area of a quadrilateral in coordinate geometry, we have to divide that quadrilateral into two triangles by joining any of the diagonals. What I have done here. So now putting the values only for ABC, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. Okay, so x1 here is -4, y2 minus y3, y2 is -5, y3 is -2, that is -5 plus 2. x2 here is -3, so plus -3 means -3 into y3 minus y1, y3 is -2 and y1 is also -2. So y3 minus y1 means -2 minus -2, that is -2 plus 2. x3 here is 3, so 3 into y1 minus y2, that is y1 is -2 minus 5. Okay, -2 minus -5, that is +5. First I am simplifying this, then we will move to the area of this triangle. Half of -4 into -3, that is -5 plus 2 -3, -3 into 0, -2 plus 2 is 0, plus 3 into 3. Okay, now half of -4 into -3 is 12, -0 plus 9, that is 12 plus 9 is 21, so 21 by 2. Okay, now we are moving to the area, moving to find the area of triangle what ACD, as we have divided this quadrilateral into two triangles, and we have already simplified the area of triangle ABC and we have got 21 by 2. Now in ACD, look at this, x1 y1 is this one, x2 y2 is this one, and x3 y3 is this one. For your better understanding, I am writing here x1 y1, C will be x2 y2, since the triangle is what ACD, x2 y2, and this is x3 y3. So x1 into x1 means what, -4, y2 minus y3, y2 is minus 2, y3 is 3, that is minus 2 minus 3. Okay, minus 2 minus 3. x2 here is what? 3. So 3 into y3 minus y1. y3 here is 3, y1 is minus 2. So 3 minus minus 2 will be 3 plus 2. Then x3 is what? x3 is 2. So plus 2 into y1 minus y2. y1 here is minus 2 and y2 is also minus 2. So y1 minus y2 will be minus 2 minus minus 2 is minus 2 plus 2. So I am simplifying this one also. Half of minus 4 into minus 5 plus 3 into 5 plus 2 into 0. Minus 2 plus 2 will be 0. Okay. Now half will be here. Half minus 4 into minus 5 is 20. 3 into 5 is 15 and 2 into 0 is 0, plus half of, I am writing here, 20 plus 15 is 35 and this will be 35 by 2. Okay. So if you go through this, then clearly you will be able to understand what I have written here. Now we are to add these two. Just like the addition of fraction, we have to take LCM. LCM here will be 2. So 2. Then 21 plus 35. This will be 56 by 2 and it will be 28 square unit. So I am repeating the same thing once again. If the vertices of a quadrilateral are given, then our target will be first we are to divide this quadrilateral into what? Into two triangles by joining any of the diagonals. Then if you gone through the area of triangle and this area of triangle separately, and then after if you add the area of this triangle, then you will be able to find the area of quadrilateral, what I have done here. So through this question we have completed exercise 7.3. So this is, sorry, this one I have written wrongly in y1 minus y1. This will be y1 minus y2, x3 into y1 minus y2.